हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल हैप्पी लाइफ। इस चैनल का मोटिव है कि हम अलग अलग एरियाज़ के वीडियोस बनाएं और इसी सीरीज़ में मैं बच्चों के लिए एक एजुकेशन वीडियो लेके आई हूं। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि आज के टाइम में सिर्फ एकेडमिक एजुकेशन ही काफ़ी नहीं है, बच्चों को जीके, जीएस, कंप्यूटर और भी नॉलेज की ज़रूरत होती है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का वीडियो, विच विल बी प्रेजेंटेड बाई माई सन रेयांश मालविया।
Short computer part allows user to type documents like emails and letters. Mouse, printer, keyboard, router. Answer is keyboard. Which of the following memories is an optical memory? Floppy disk, bubble memories, CD-ROM, core memories. Answer is CD-ROM. DNS refers to data number sequence, digital network service, domain name system, disk numbering system. Answer is digital network service. Java was originally invented by Oracle, Microsoft, Novell, Sun. Answer is Sun. The first mechanical computer designed by Charlie Babbage was called Abacus Analytic Engine Calculator Processor. Answer is analytic engine. Which of the following is the most powerful type of computer? Supermicro, superconductor, supercomputer, mainframe. Answer is supercomputer. C languages. A third generation high-level language. Web pages are written using FTP, HTTP, HTML, URL. Answer is HTML. India's first supercomputer is Angani Flosoverum Trishul. Answer is Param. The computer that is not considered as a portable computer is laptop computer, mini computer, notebook computer, none of these. Answer is mini computer. Which of the following is not operating system? DOS, Unix, Windows NT, Java. Answer is Java. Which of the following is an example of non-volatile memory? VLSI, LSI, ROM, RAM. Answer is ROM. 1 byte is equivalent to 4 bits, 8 bits, 12 bits, 32 bits. Answer is 8 bits. ROM is composed of floppy disks, magnetic cores, microprocessors, photoelectric cells. Answer is photoelectric cells. Combines the contents of one file with another. Restore, rename, append, add. Answer is append. ISDN stands for Integrated Service Digital Network, which is advertised the computer system. Memory unit, input unit, central processing unit, control unit. Answer is central processing unit. CD-ROM is a kind of optical disc, magnetic discs, magneto-optical discs. None of these. Answer is magnetic disk. What is the full form of IP? Interface program, interface protocol, internet program, internet protocol. Answer is internet protocol. Find the odd one out. Mouse, keyboard, printer, touchscreen. Answer is printer. A terabyte comprises 1024 gigabyte, 1024 kilobyte, 1024 megabyte, 1024 byte. Answer is 1024 gigabyte. Select the smallest memory size: terabyte, gigabyte, kilobyte, megabyte. Answer is kilobyte. Full form of TCP is Transmission Control Program, Totaling Control Program, Transmission Control Protocol, Total Control Protocol. Answer is Transmission Control Protocol. Who is considered to be the father of artificial intelligence and Turing? John McCarthy, George Boole, Alan Neville. Answer is John McCarthy. The word length of the computer is measured in bits, bytes, millimeters, meters. Answer is bytes.